Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2021 Mazda 3 G20 Touring Sedan, stock reference number 5067. This shape runs from the 3rd month 2019 and is a current shape. It has a PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. PE 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the right-hand headlight, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. Both left-hand doors appear to have no damage. Left-hand side skirt. Left boot lid garnish. Right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right front door appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. Right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. Stereo command controls, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio, phone and lane assist buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.